I have a full-time job. I take on more hours at work. I can't recall the last time I had a family vacation. I wish I had some money to start a side business. I am so stressed financially and it's beginning to affect my health. I will talk with management tomorrow for a raise. Hello, Justin, Marlene greeted. You wanted to see me? Marlene, I was wondering if I could get a raise. I have been in this company for 10 years and served diligently. Oh, Justin. Currently, there is not much I can do about that. Corporate is not willing to raise salaries this quarter. I'm sorry. However, there is a vacant senior position that just opened last week. The salary is twice your current pay. Marlene replied. Yes, I saw the ad, but I do not have the necessary qualifications and skills to apply for the role, Justin replied. Hey Justin, how is your day going? Greeted Emma. I asked management for a raise and I was denied. Marlene said management just hired new staff and so no raises for anybody for now, Justin replied. Justin continued. I haven't had a family vacation in years. My family and kids hardly see me. I took more hours at work, but I am still financially stressed. We can fix that with 5 simple steps, Emma replied. Let's begin. Step 1. Increase your value, not just your hours. Most people try to increase their income by increase their hours. High earners and achievers focus on investing in themselves, increasing value. According to Tiffany Alishe, your income is directly connected to the problems you can solve. Ask yourself, what skills do I possess that can solve a bigger problem? Instead of binge watching TV and scrolling social media, invest 30 to 60 minutes daily learning a new skill that solves a problem. Take a course. There are numerous great online schools that offer valuable courses. Step 2. Ask for a raise. Be strategic about it. Dave Ramsey once said, if you believe you deserve more, you need to prove it. Track your achievements, document results, show how you have increased revenue significantly. Schedule a formal meeting with your superior. Honestly, Justin, that's how I got my raise last month. Step 3. Cover the leaks. Most times people think making more is about earning more. It's more about keeping more. Track your spending for 30 days. You will most likely find impulse purchases, convenience spending, forgotten subscriptions, lifestyle creep. If you recover $400 each month from unnecessary spend, that is $4,800 per year saved. The recovered funds can be invested, used to start a business or eliminate debt. Watch my video on budgeting. You will learn about the 50-30-20 rule and discover our budgeting tips. Step 4. Build a skill-based side income. I once heard Mel Robbins talk about the activation energy, just start. You don't need $1 million to start. You need movement. Consider skill-based incomes such as freelancing, consulting, tutoring, selling digital products, content creation, social media management. Just start. Start small. One client at a time. The goal is income expansion, not instant freedom. Step 5. Create income-producing assets. I strongly advise in getting out of debt first, or getting out of high-interest debts first before investing in assets. Assets are key. They help you build stability. Assets pay you. Examples of assets include dividend stocks, real estate, royalties, increasing knowledge. Take online courses. The aim here is to move from trading time for money to owning things that generate you income. This doesn't happen overnight. It takes some time. Consistency and patience is key. You don't rise financially by accident. You have to be intentional about it. According to Dave Ramsey, be disciplined long enough to win. I heard Tiffany Alishe once say, build systems that support your growth. Being financially free is about skill, strategy, consistency, and courage. Justin, pick one of these 5 strategies, just one. Take action this week. Keep in mind, you are not stuck. You are unstrategic. Thank you so much, Emma. I will watch your video on budgeting when I get home. I wish I spoke with you sooner. I will get to work as soon as possible. This is great advice, Justin replied. What step do you think Justin should start with? Let me know in the comments section.